Welcome back. Dharuhera. Well, it's always been or considered to be a fast-growing growth corridor just outside Gurgaon. But then, once the investors started fleeing the market, it became questionable whether you should invest in Dharuhera or not. Once again, in news, industrial development in this strategically located market. So, Oinetam Ocha goes back to review what's going on.
Happy families who have made Dharuhera their home. In less than a decade, this satellite town of Gurgaon has evolved as the next best budget destination for residential projects. 15 developers, including names like Raheja, Bestech, Vipul Gardens, Feroz, Avalon and Dwarkadhish are present in this market with 22 projects to choose from.
We have been living for more than 1.5 years in Dharuhera, in this place. And we are getting sort of all facilities nearby. We don't find any sort of problem here. And we are looking forward for a better life here in future.
Developers like DPL and Avalon are offering you luxury at affordable prices in their projects in Dharuhera.
A lot of companies have already started shifting from Gurgaon to such places because the land is cheaper, the area is better, they get more area, the air is much cleaner, and all the other benefits that you get if you relocate there.
Of the 10,798 units, only 1,875 units are available. Absorption has gone up significantly to over 82%. Weighted average price, including resale, is at about 3,150 rupees per square feet. Prices have risen from 19.2% in first half of 2013 to 27.3% in second half of 2014 and from 23.9% in second half of 2013 to 29.6% in second half of 2014. Apart from rapid residential development, Dharuhera is also witnessing growth in retail, social infrastructure and industrial projects and office spaces. The market is also expected to benefit from mega infrastructure projects like DMIC and the Kundli-Manesar Palwal Expressway and the rapid rail transit system projects which are already underway.
जो रेलवे लाइन मेट्रो का अपग्रेडेड वर्जन यहाँ आने वाला है वो यहाँ को बहुत आगे अप्रिशिएट कराएगा जिससे कि कनेक्टिविटी जो बाई रोड नहीं बाई ट्रेन एक पब्लिक सर्विस ऐसी मिल जाएगी.
With better, cleaner environment and improving connectivity, Dharuhera will continue to shine in the affordable housing segment in the NCR real estate market. In Dharuhera, Oinetam Oja, NDTV.
Back to taking up questions, and we've got with us Priyankar Gyan on the phone line. Priyankar, hi, go ahead.
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Good evening. Go ahead with your question.
Yeah, so actually I am looking to buy a flat in Delhi NCR with a budget of around 40 lakhs. So with the Gurgaon, prices are very high and the n number of affordable housing projects coming up. I could actually go and visit some of the projects in Dharuhera area. So my question here is that what is the scope of growth of property in Dharuhera being the extension of Gurgaon?
All right. So I think developers, whether it's Bhiwadi or Dharuhera, are all saying this is the extension of Gurgaon, or it's a new, triple new Gurgaon. Sameer, how does it stack up? There's a huge investor interest. We know that in Bhiwadi, in Dharuhera, and frankly, when I visited Bhiwadi and I see that it's very well planned.
Yeah, and in fact, Dharuhera is much before Bhiwadi. So we also like this micro market from a perspective that if you look at the price points, they are still so attractive. You are high rises being available at 3,000 rupees a square foot, and I can assure you that today, speaking to many developers, that the cost of construction just alone is upwards of 2,000 to do a high rise. So the market's land pricing is nearly negligible. It's an industrial hub, but lot of activity happening on the industrial side as well in Gurgaon, and Gurgaon is just getting extended. Now, when you see IT parks, DLF has big plans in the DLF Garden City for IT. And once that starts to happen, Dharuhera is also going to benefit on the affordable side. This micro market already has a decent inventory overhang of 18 months, weighted average price extremely affordable, 3250. Price appreciation because of the low base doing exceedingly well, 13% compared to the other good markets, prime markets of Gurgaon are not seeing this kind of appreciation anymore. Casa Romano, good project by a good developer. Dwarkadish Projects is one of the best developers for that region. Sector 22, Daruhera, still very affordable between 27 to 3,200 rupees. It's a 17-acre project, so full gated community with green building concept, RIM panel technology, Crystal's rating. Manisha will love this project. Project was launched last year in April and construction has just started. Developer is promising possession by 2017. The other two projects are Vipul Gardens by Vipul Limited, getting ready this year itself, so no execution risk, 13.4 odd acres of development here. Walking trails, tennis court, power backup, all the amenities that you can think of, including jacuzzi, swimming pool in a industrial colony is very hard to believe. Project is getting completed in phases. Avalon Rangoli by Avalon Group, again a project getting ready this year, spread across 13 odd acres, trading at a very good price of 2,700 to 3,000 rupees. These are ready projects at 3,000.
Yeah.
So land is almost available at negligible price point, I would say. So that's the other thing that I like to point out. They've gone through that 4-year journey of completing the project, and the cost of construction today is much higher. Project is nearing completion, 6 months away, and bank loan is available from SBI, Axis Bank, HDFC. So these kind of projects you really can't go wrong in. If you're a 3 to 5 year bet, you'll just ride the inflation, if not anything else, and the project will appreciate 10 to 15% annualized.
You know, diversify your asset class. How much can you put in a bank FD or an equity? So you also need to start taking smart investment bets in real estate. Okay, so let's take a quick look at Daruhera. It's a market which Sameer has given a go-ahead to, and especially the pricing at which these two recommended projects come is extremely, extremely interesting. Who do we have next on the phone line? We've got Mr. Dharmesh Rawat joining us. Dharmesh, hi, go ahead. What's your question?
Hi, Hamish, this is Dharmesh from Dubai.
All right.
I have a question to invest in Noida Sector 75. I did some survey of the different property. I found one JM Aroma. The price starting 85 to 87 lakhs for 3 BHK. So I just wanted to know, would it be like a good investment to invest in the scenario where you have NGT, National Green Tribunal, they have issues, they are not giving position for the builders.
Absolutely.
Just looking for an idea where I can invest for my future, for next 5-6 years.
Okay.
That's my question is.
All right, Dharmesh, what can we say? Well, what I know is that the file is all done, the decision has been taken, it just has to be announced. That's what the developers tell me. But all of us are waiting for that decision on NGT putting a ban on construction around the Okhla Bird Sanctuary. It's not logical. 10-kilometer radius was completely irrational, and we need that to be reversed. But then people are concerned. So what do you think? Where is a safe investment bet in Noida?
Well, I think Noida from and not Greater Noida and Noida Extension, we're talking about main Noida, is a very safe bet. If you want to live at these price points or if you want to witness some kind of appreciation, but there is too much supply coming there, so please don't expect unprecedented appreciation. That is just not going to happen in Noida for the next 5 years. So looking at 8 to 10% appreciation, great market to be in, great market to live in, but beyond that, have no expectations. 20 months of inventory overhang, look at the figures. Upcoming region has 53,000 units coming up. 5150 be the weighted average price scale, but price appreciation still continues to be steady, 12.9%, and you'll see that across, because I think the infrastructure that Noida has vis-a-vis the price points is still cheap, but at 8,000 or 7,500 it's just stop appreciating from there. But that's the only upside that you can get. Coming to two more recommendations, your project gets a go-ahead from our side, JM Aroma. They've completed one more project, although it's a relatively new builder, but they've completed JM Orchid in Sector 76 already. So domain expertise is there. It's equipped with all the modern amenities. It's a little pricey at 5,295 rupees a square foot because the location of this project is very good. It's bang opposite the well-developed Sector 50 and 3 kilometers from the operational Noida City Centre metro station. There are two more projects cheaper, Romano by Supertech at Sector 118. This is at 4850 construction link plan. Project is facing two-side green belt, which is a USP and based on Roman architecture. Lastly, we have Max Royal by Sethi Group at 4,700 rupees. This is the G+19 and G+14 story tower. It is going to have all the amenities, including a gas pipeline and broadband. And this is in finishing stages, so no execution risk. Possession is expected in another 6 months. And price is very attractive at 4,700 rupees for a completed project.
I mean, that area of Noida, those sectors, actually, the fact that prices haven't gone up in the last 1 year or so has now made prices very, very attractive.
Also, comps sector 50 almost right opposite, trading between
Absolutely.
8 to 10,000 rupees. a
My
square foot.
goodness. So there's
So
such
there
an
is
arbitrage. And
there is an
property
arbitrage opportunity.
And property does catch up.
Absolutely.
Once it gets well lived in, suddenly then, I mean, look at
Not only will it catch up, it will overtake.
overtake because it's newer
Because it's
property.
new.
Okay, fair enough. So we've given a go-ahead to the project that you've shortlisted and also bring you 2 other projects that you might want to look at. Romano by Supertech and Max Royal by Sethi Group. And well, that's a wrap for today. Sameer, thank you very much for bringing us all that data, market insights. It's always interesting to take a decision based on hard facts. Share your feedback and questions with us. Email is property@ndtv.com. And of course, we'll be back with you again for another edition. See you and goodbye.